Alright, so the way I'm going to do this is I'm just going to put this on that just to complete the setup, and I'm only going to be getting the cinematics using my phone. So let's get right to it.
So, I wanted to make this video to show you guys that all you need is your phone just to create awesome videos. You don't need any professional equipment, any special camera gear. Your phone is the perfect thing to use. And also, during this video, I'm going to show you the raw footage and then the edited footage. And as you will see on screen.
Alright guys, so I just finished getting all my cinematics, so now it's time to go and edit it. So I'll put the raw clips up first, and then I'll put in the newly edited ones, and then I'll put them all together as the new cinematics. Let's get to it.